Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download APK files on an iPhone. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to download an APK file you want to store in the IPA format. So if you want to use APK files on an iPhone, you have to convert them to IPA format. So to do that, you have to install CD Impactor to sign in into your Apple account to use the IPA file. Now connect your iPhone using either a Windows or Mac OS system. Now launch the CD Impactor application. When the app starts, paste the previously downloaded IPA file, which is the iOS equivalent of the APK file you wish to download. Then re-sign your Apple ID, tap on the ID to begin the IPF file installation progress, and that's about it. This is how you do it, guys. So you just have to set up CD Impactor. It's pretty simple. Just Google it and convert APK files to IPF format, and that's how you can use APK files on an iPhone. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.